We've all experienced the frustration of being stuck in traffic. It's a common problem that affects the people living in the municipality of Santa Maria. But why does it happen? Let's dive deeper into the heart of the topic.
Traffic is a common problem that plagues the municipality of Santa Maria. It's more than just an inconvenience. It's a complex issue with far-reaching consequences. Let's explore the factor that contributes to this problem and its impact on our daily lives.
One of the main causes of traffic is the increasing number of vehicles on the road. As the municipality of Santa Maria grows, so was the number of vehicles, leading to crowded streets and longer travel time.
Poor road condition and efficient traffic management systems also contribute to traffic aims. Poorly maintained roads, broken traffic lights, and poorly signals can all lead to traffic bottleneck.
As students, we feel the impact of traffic firsthand. We often have to wake up early and leave home early to avoid getting stuck in traffic. It affects our studies, our social lives, and our overall well-being.
Traffic is the major problem that impacts and affects the lives of many individuals. It results wasted time and increased stress level. It's a problem that needs to be addressed given that everyone is aware of it.
In this documentary, we'll dive deeper into this, looking into the experiences and perspectives of individuals who experience the effects of traffic while exploring its causes. But, is there really a solution?
Para sa akin po, yung nagkakas ng traffic is yung mga sa daan.
Yung mga pasaway sa daan na like hindi sila sumusunod sa rules ng mga traffic enforcer, gano'n. Yun po yun. Or pwede rin may mga na-aksidente kaya pwede rin yung maging cause ng traffic minsan. Pero for me, para sa akin, ang pinaka nagiging cause talaga ng traffic is yung mga yung mga pasaway sa daan po.
Karaniwan kasi sa namin, yung mga pumaparada ng alangan, mga sa gitna, ganyan, mga biglang lumiliko. Minsan banggaan, yan, focus ng traffic sa atin yan.
Yung cause po ng traffic po sa sobrang dami na rin po ng sasakyan sa Pilipinas. Tsaka po yung makikitid na kalsada po.
Number one, sa dami ng sasakyan sa Pilipinas. Tapos, number two, yung mga driver, karamihan sa driver na walang disiplina, ma-driving man o public utility.
Rush hour is that time of day, usually early morning or late afternoon, when roads are busiest as people commute to and from work. With so many vehicles on the road at once, this increase in traffic flows often leads to congestion, causing delays and longer travel times.
Road construction also contributes to traffic. It usually results in lane closures, detours, and merging zones that slow down the flow of vehicles. In our community, for example, roadworks often closes one lane, resulting in 10 to 15 minute delay for many commuters as they have to patiently wait for their turn to pass.
Or construction materials or some equipments left in the road can make traffic worse. These obstacles reduces the usable lanes and causes the vehicles to move slowly around them, adding to that congestion.
Poor driving skills such as aggressive driving, speeding, and using gadget while driving can cause accidents. Accidents may also result from a road lane closure that will slow the road flow and cause delay.
Nakaka-affect po siya pag especially pag papasok po sa school, ganun, malilate ka po, naaabala rin po yung time namin.
Yun, syempre kapag may mga pupuntahan, hindi nasusunod yung mga yung mga call time. Syempre may mga nagagalit sa amin kung bakit kami late ganito, ganyan. Yun po yung nagiging problema kapag pag traffic. Lalo na kapag malalayo yung pinanggalingan namin.
Kasi kung sa traffic kasi, pagka nagka-traffic na, marami nang nag-iit ang ulo, ganyan. Yung mga naabala. Yun lang naman ang dun eh. Kasi, nararamihan kasi, puro nagmamadali yung mga tao. Lalo sa mga natin. Kaya ginagawa po namin ng solusyon na maibsan yung traffic.
Bali po sa pagpasok ko po talaga pong lubang nakaka-apekto po kasi po unang-una po nagagawad po ako sa oras pagpasok.
Kamukha namin jeepney driver, malaking epekto sabi nyo kasi pag na-traffic kami, konsumo ng diesel tapos maliit ang kita namin.
Sa akin po sumunod na lang sila sa batas, ganun.
Ganon din po sa akin, sumunod lang sila sa pero mas maganda kung kada kalsada may mga traffic enforcer para mas nabibigyan ng rule yung mga situation sa daan, ganon po.
Sa solusyon namin dapat maiba kasi dapat kaya ginagawa namin, pinaalis namin yung mga nakasagabal, yung mga parada ng alanganin. Yan, ginagawa po namin ng paraan yan, saka yung mga banggaan. Inaano po kaagad namin yan, na-assist namin para magkaroon kaagad ng solusyon para hindi na ma-traffic yung iba pang tao na dumadaan. Saka yung iba, yung iba kasi pagka bawa, gaganyan, dapat meron pang other way na na dyan, para iba. Doon na lang dumadaan sa alternative.
Unang-una po yung pagbabawas po ng mga quorum ng sasakyan. Pangalawa po, papalawak ng mga kalsada. Pangatlo po traffic enforcer. Malaking bagay po
Thank you so much.
Dapat magkaroon ng programa ang gobyerno kamukha dito sa Santa Maria. Kailangan masolusyonan nila yung mga humahawak ng traffic. Madali namang solusyonan yan basta magkaroon lang ng disiplina.
With all of the issues happening around us, specifically traffic, we highly believe that as individuals, we can be part of the solution. With that, here are the statements of our fellow groupmates on how they think they can help to lessen traffic here in Santa.
I can help maintain a smoother traffic flow and lower the chances of accidents by taking even small steps, such as stopping at intersections of pedestrians and refraining from jaywalking.
When driving, I can utilize the GPS applications to identify the least populated roads and to avoid delays.
To lessen the amount of vehicles on the road, if the school is only a short walk from our house, I will either walk or use my bike instead of riding a motorcycle.
We all have a part to play in making our roads safer and less crowded.
Simple actions like following the traffic rules, being careful, and looking out for each other can make a big difference. We're all part of the solution.
Together, through small and big decisions, we can create a positive change.
Together, we can create
A brighter future.